afternoon and welcome to another caravan video, and this time we're staying in a static. So this is the static caravan we're staying in, and we're at Thornwick Bay again. We know somebody who has a static, and we're renting it. Got here for a few days, and just show you what make this is. And you can see it's a Swift lighthouse. So without any further ado, go inside the caravan. I'm sorry this is a bit shaky. I'm recording it on my phone. I wasn't planning on doing it in a video, but oh, never mind. So just get inside and show you around. This is 2016 Caravan, and we have the fridge freezer. Next to it is the boiler. There's a gas safety inspection. There we are. There's all the information about the caravan too. So it's only 4 years old. At the time of shooting this video, so into the lounge area. And one thing I like about these type of caravans is a separate sofa, because the older statics you have like seating around the perimeter. So it's more like a home than a static caravan. And I have a little veranda out at the front. Nice little seating area that's covered and can be lit up at night with a nice view of the sea. Fantastic view. There, so moving on, back inside and to the kitchen area. It's got all the amenities you want from a kitchen except for washing machine, but it's got everything else. It's got 2 ovens. I think that top one's like a grill, 5 burner hob, and the usual amenities. We've got a dishwasher as well, built-in microwave up there, and plenty of storage, cups, plates and whatnot. And in this one, we have a sliding out bin. So time move on round, we'll come through here. This one's actually 3 bedroom, so I'll show you the master bedroom. And we have a telly in here, and built-in hairdryer, which is quite handy. Sockets and little downlights. It's all LED lighting in this caravan, which is one thing I like about it. So I'll show you one of the other 2 bedrooms, because the other 2 bedrooms are basically identical. This is one of your smaller bedrooms, and the other one's pretty much the same, so I won't show you that. But so this caravan will sleep too. Now the bathroom, we have just a toilet there and sink. But the other one, so we'll have a look at this other one, the bathroom, the one with the shower in, and it has a toilet and sink. Now, the one thing I like about this particular caravan is the shower is fantastic. It's plenty big enough, because other statics I've been in, they're a bit smaller, the showers. But this one is absolutely fantastic, and it works perfectly. So that concludes the tour of this caravan. So that's it for this particular video. Quick tour of the static we're staying in. Hope you enjoyed it, so please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, then you get notified when one of my videos drops. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.